Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the very important operator in RxSwift, that is map operator. Whether you are new in RxSwift or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video will give you the practical understanding of how map works. We will also look at the real world example where you might use the map in the iOS development scenarios. The map operator is used in RxSwift to transform or modify the data emitted by the observable. It's conceptually the same as the map function in a Swift. It's like saying, take my value and change it into the something else. So map allows you to convert the data from one type to another while working with the streams of the data. Let's see the practical example. Here's a basic example. We started with the observable that emits the integer from 1 to 5. Now I subscribe to the observable and in on next closure I print the value, that is value is the value. Let me run this code. Now if you see here, uh, the value is an integer type, but if you want to convert this value into the string, then in that case the map operator we can use to transform it in each integer to the string. Let me try this out. Now I will just add a map here. Show value this is type of integer, and I will convert this into string. Okay, now previously I was printed this like a string, that is now it is not needed because map is converting the integer value into the string. So I will directly print the value and I will simply run the code. Now in a console you can see the result will be value is 1, value is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as you can see, we used a map to change the type of the emitted value from integer to a string. Now let's move on a real world example. Imagine you are building an app with the table view that display a list of dates. However, instead of showing the raw date object, you want to display this date into the formatted string like January 5, comma 2025. So this is where the map operator can be really handy. Let's try out. Now if you see here, I have created a function that is map for convert date format, and in this example I have created a array of date object. Okay, then I have used date formatter to convert the date into respective date format. Then I have used map operator to transform each date into the formatted string using a date format. So here I have used the date format, so it will map the date object or the date string into the formatted string. Now this is the date string observable will be a new observable data stream with the formatted date values. Then I have subscribed to the date string observable, and On next closure I have just print the output. So let me run this code. So in a console you can see, instead of showing the raw value, we display the human readable string like Jan 5, 2025. So this is very common use case of map in apps with the dynamic content like list or tables. So when would you use the map in your application? Here are some examples. So formatting dates, like we have saw, turning date object into the string to display them into the table view or the label. Mapping network responses, when your app receives the network responses, you might want to map the raw JSON data into your custom model object. Custom UI element, if you want to display the custom UI element like icon or text based on the incoming data value, map can help you to transform that data. That's it for today's tutorial on a map operator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on RxSwift. If you have any questions or want to see more example, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a next video.